Hello friends, we are back with a new question paper of 2018-19 examinations of Science Olympiad. It is set A of Science for class 2. National Science Olympiad exams has got logical reasoning as the first section. Second section is science and third section is achiever section. Logical reasoning has 5 questions and from question number 6 to question number 30 it is science, and after question number 30, that is 31 to question 35, it is achievers section. So before moving forward, let me request you to give us a like if you like this video, and provide us with your comments, and subscribe to this channel for such content in future. The whole question paper consists of 35 questions, and in this video, it is video 1, that is part 1 video. Here we will be dealing with 15 questions. In part 2 video, we will be dealing with 15 more questions from science section, and in the third part, we will be dealing with 5 questions. Coming to the first section, logical reasoning, under which you will be having 5 questions, and the first question is, study the patterns 1, 2 and 3. Using the same pattern, tell the number of balls in pattern 6. Study the patterns 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Using the same pattern, tell the number of balls in the pattern 6. So pattern 1 has got 1 ball, 2 has 4 balls, 3 has 7 balls. So I hope you can observe that 1, then here is a rise of 3 more balls, here is a rise of 3 more balls. So pattern 1, and after that pattern 2 has 4 balls. So 1 here, 4 here. So 3 rise, addition of 3 balls. Again here there is 7 balls. So addition of 3 more balls. So what will be the pattern number 4, 5 and 6? Only then you will be able to answer this question. So I have drawn some figures over here. See, for example, if this is pattern number 3, we can see here pattern number 4, like this. So pattern number 4 will have 3 more balls. See, this pattern 3 is here. After that, we have added 3 more balls. So pattern number 4 has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 balls. Okay, then pattern number 5. Now this will have 3 more balls, that means 13 balls. See, up to here it was 10, 11, 12, 13 balls. Now pattern number 6 will have 3 more balls. So up to this much, it was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So pattern number 6 will have 16 balls altogether. So after pattern 3, pattern 4, pattern 5 and pattern 6. Okay, now is it clear? Now see here the options 16, 10, 14 and 19. 16, 10, 14, 19. So we will be going with this option. 16 is the correct option. Now patterns of this sort are generally called growing patterns or increasing patterns. That means there is an increase of a fixed amount or a fixed number in every pattern step. Okay, so after pattern 4 also we have added 3 more, and after 4 in the 5 we have added 3 more, and after 5 when we drew that sixth pattern we drew 3 more balls. So altogether we got 16. Now these growing patterns you can work out at your home also. Certain examples you can take, like I have given some here also, like 2 triangles here in a typical fashion and orientation, then again 2 triangles and 2 more triangles in second pattern. So altogether 4. In the third there are 6, but in different orientation. Just observe the orientation also. So you have to follow the orientation and the number also when there is a growing pattern. Okay, now fourth will have 2 more. So what will be the answer in 7? So I hope you can draw that at your home while drawing the triangles in different orientation. 2 triangles in one orientation, then 2 triangles in another orientation. Then again the repeating this pattern, then again this pattern. Okay, so what will be the view of the 7th pattern? Okay, now next question is this one, this question of square patterns. So in the pattern number 1 there is 1 square. In pattern number 2 there are 4 more, so addition of 4, every time 4 is added. Okay, when 4 is added, here it comes 5. So this central square is nothing but this one only. In addition to the central square, we have added 1, 2, 3, 4 squares more on 4 directions. Again, this second pattern is same here, but in addition to that, we have added 1, 2, 3 and 4 more squares. So it is 5 here and 9 here. So this is how we have to work out what will be the pattern number 6 over here. Okay, you can do that at your home. So coming to question number 2. Dash walks the longest distance and dash walks the shortest distance respectively. Now there is a question about 3 girls, Nisha, Sanchi and Jyoti, or you are said to measure the distance, how much they have covered. This red line is for Nisha's distance, Sanchi for purple lines. The route for Sanchi is this purple line, and green lines for Jyoti. This is the travel route through which they have traveled. Okay, so for Nisha, we can calculate the red line by adding the small units of this red line. Now here one thing is mentioned already, that this to this much distance is 1 meter. So every unit, every side of a particular square is measuring 1 meter. So here to here it is 1 meter, here to here it is 1 meter, here to here it is 1 meter. Everywhere the sides of the squares will remain same in measurement. So 1 meter per length of this side of the square. Okay, now coming to Nisha. Let's count the amount of Nisha's distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So can we write 10 for Nisha? So it is 10 for Nisha. Nisha's distance is 10. For Sanchi, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for Sanchi, it is 9. And for Jyoti, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 for Jyoti. Now come to the question. Dash walks the longest distance. That means Jyoti walks the longest distance and Sanchi walks the shortest distance respectively. What was Sanchi's distance? It was 9 meter, and for Jyoti it was 13. So option number C will be correct. Coming to question number 3. How many circles are there in the given figure? Now this is a peacock drawn over here, and this feather portion has got circles, and eyes has circles, their head has got some circles. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 circles, and within these 11 circles there are there is one more circle also. So every circle has got 2 circles actually. Okay, so 11 into 2 will be the total number of circles in the feather portion. Okay, so 11 into 2 is equal to 22 in total in this green area. Okay, now come to the eyes. This red one, this black one and this white one together are 3 circles. So 22 plus 3 is equal to 25 circles. Okay, now come to here. 1, 2, 3. So together 3. 28 in total. So 28 circles is the correct answer. So coming to question number 4. How many burgers are there in each group if 4 groups of equal number of burgers are formed from the given burgers? How many burgers are there in each group if 4 groups of equal number of burgers are formed from the given burgers? So here are some burgers given in picture. Now you have to make groups of 4 burgers in each group. So how many such groups you can form? That is the actual question. So let's see. Here are 16 burgers, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 together. So let's start grouping. So counting in groups. Say one group, okay, then second group, third group, and at last fourth group. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Altogether there are 4 groups made out of these 16 burgers. So the answer will be 4. Coming to question number 5. Which of the following is fourth to the left of T? Which of the following is fourth to the left of T? Now there is a series given from P to W drawn within the circles. And this is the right side, this is the left side. This is the right side, this is the left side. So where is T? T is here. Fourth to the left of T. So first, second, third and fourth. P is fourth to the left of T. So the answer will be P. So if somebody asks that which letter will be third to the right of S, then if this is S, 1, 2, 3. First, second, third. So V would be the answer. V is third to the right of S. Now this is the topic called cardinal and ordinal numbers. Okay. So these are positions, cardinal and ordinal positions. That topic from where the question is asked here. Now let's move to the next section, science section. Here certain knowledge based on science is required to answer these questions. So question number 6, select the plant that can be placed in the same group to which plant X belongs. Now this figure of this plant is given here. This looks like a shrub. Okay, so X is here. So this is X. Say for example, this is X drawn over here, and you have to find it out that which plant out of these 4 belongs to this particular shrub category. Watermelon, pea plant, cotton, mint. Now mint is a herb. Mint is the wrong answer. Pea plant and watermelon. Watermelon is a creeper. Okay, and this is a climber. So but cotton is a shrub. So cotton will be the correct answer. So coming to question number 7. Select the option that correctly completes the given table. Select the option that correctly completes the given table. Now here is a table given where at the left it is written animal names and animal sounds. The sounds these animals make on the right side. Okay, so animal name and animal sound. First is tiger, growl, donkey, X, Y, trumpet. Okay, so tiger growls. What is the call for donkey? What is the sound of a donkey called? It is called bray. Okay, and the animal which makes trumpet is an elephant. So X will be bray and Y should be an elephant. So bray and elephant. Let's see what options are given. Quack, pig, neigh, duck. X chatter, Y horse, X bray, elephant, Y. Yes, D option is correct. Now you can find some list of these animal and animal sounds over here. You can take a screenshot of that for your further reference. Coming to question number 8. Which of the following is not protected by rib cage? So rib cage is a skeletal structure that is present inside our chest. So chest has got two organs. One is heart, one is the lungs. Okay, so this is the structure for heart, this is for lungs, this is for brain. Option A is brain, B is heart, C lungs, and D both B and C. So brain cannot be the answer because brain is actually present at the top of our body. Okay, and rib cage is present in the chest. So top of our body is provided with skull, and inside which there is brain. Okay, so brain is first cancelled. Okay, heart and lung both are present inside the rib cage. Both of them are very delicate and soft structures. So soft structures are protected by hard skeleton. Ribs provide that protection to both these organs. Heart, option B, and option C. Both are present inside the rib cage. So neither B nor C will be the answer. The answer will be both B and C. Okay, so D option is the correct answer. So coming to question number 9. Select the odd one out among the following. Select the odd one out among the following. So it is Ludo, Carom, chess and football. I think Ludo, Carom and chess, all these three are played indoors. Okay, and football is the only one out of these four which is played out of your house. Okay, we do not play inside a room. Football needs a big ground. It's a football field or big football ground where we generally play football. So these three are almost similar because they are played inside your home, and within the bedroom you can play that. Football is one which needs a field. So football is the odd one out. So coming to question number 10. Refer to the given figure showing position of the shadow of pole formed at times X and Y and select the correct option. So X and Y are actually two different positions at two different times. Okay, so X means it is around 12 o'clock. It is going to be 12 o'clock because if it were 12 o'clock, then the structure, this particular shadow should be just at straight line with the actual pole. This purple line should be in continuation with a straight line like that with the shadow. Okay, so shadow and the purple pole should be in the same axis or aligned in the same angle. Okay, there should not have been a slanting shadow at 12 o'clock. But you can understand by seeing the shadow that this is around 12 o'clock. Okay, it's not actual 12 o'clock but around 12 o'clock. So it's going to be 12 possibly. Okay, because this direction is east, this is west, this is north, this is south. So the sun is moving from this side to that side. Okay, the movement of sun is from this side to that side. Okay, so at 11 o'clock, if it is here, then the shadow should be, if the sun is here, the shadow should be towards this side. Okay, and at 12 o'clock, the sun should be here and the shadow should be at straight line with the pole. Now come to Y position. So Y position is a position where the sun has moved much towards the left, towards the west. That means it's setting time, sun setting time. So when the sun is here, then the shadow should be towards this side. That means the shadow should be slanting towards this side actually. Okay, so this could be around 5 p.m. at the time of setting, sun setting. And this could be around 12 o'clock, but not actually 12 o'clock. It is less than 12 o'clock. So let's see the time when the options which match with this. So it is 11 a.m., and 5 p.m. X 11 a.m. Y 5 p.m. 12 a.m. No, 12 a.m. option will not be there. All the options with 12 a.m. let's cancel them. 12 a.m. will not be there. So 12 p.m. is also not there because at 12 p.m. I think it should not be there because let's see, and 5 a.m. it should not be there. So this option is also wrong. And then 11 p.m. no, 11 p.m. means it's night. Okay, so this option is also wrong. So only option that we are left with is 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. So yes, it's possible that 11 a.m. the shadow will be like that, and at 5 p.m. the shadow will be like that in X position. Okay, sorry, at Y position, and for X 11 a.m. this position is okay. It's correct. So we will go with this option. Coming to question number 11. Which road sign is not given in the box? Which road sign is not given in the box? Box means these symbols actually. So overtaking, A option is overtaking prohibited. School ahead. So overtaking prohibited, let's see. Yeah, this is the symbol for overtaking. It is given. School ahead. Now there are two children drawn over here, and this is traffic triangle. So this is also given here. U-turn prohibited. Yes, this is also given here. U-turn is for this one. This symbol represents U-turn prohibited. Prohibited means this red cut over this symbol means it is prohibited. Okay, so U-turn is prohibited. This is also given. Now come to no parking. Yes, no parking. You have given. They have given actually 3 options only over here in the box. So no parking is not shown here. So no parking is the option which is not given here. Question number 12. Identify X in the given flowchart. Identify X in the given flowchart. X gives cotton and jute. Cotton and jute are 2 fibers which are derived from plants, and they are not synthetic, so they are plant-borne fibers. Plant will be the correct option. Coming to question number 13. Rohan has come back after playing in the park. He is feeling tired and should have to get instant energy. So let's see the food which are given in the option. Egg, banana, butter and pulses. Now egg is energy giving food. No, it's not energy giving food. It's bodybuilding food. Butter is energy giving food, but it's fats. Okay, you cannot take butter for energy. Pulses are again bodybuilding food. So you are left with banana. Banana is rich in sugars, and banana is also rich in phosphate. So along with any other food, if you take banana, it is good. But if you take only banana for instant energy, then it's fantastic, because banana gives immediate glucose and sugar, whatever carbohydrate that is required, and also the phosphate, the ions, which are necessary for energy generation actually. So banana will be the correct option. Coming to question number 14. Shreya filled some water in a glass tumbler as shown. This is the glass tumbler filled with water. Her friends Swati, Sumit and Rati saw this and made following statements. What did they say? Swati, Sumit, Rati. Swati said, the glass tumbler is half filled with water. Sumit said, the glass tumbler is half filled with air. Rati said, there is only water and no air in the glass tumbler. Okay, so let's see who among them made the correct statement. Actually, this is the question. So A option is Rati only said correct. Sumit only said correct for B option. And C, Swati and Rati only said. Swati and Rati only said correct. And D option is Swati and Sumit said the correct statement. So actually this glass tumbler is half filled with water. So whenever there is nothing in any space, you have to consider that air is present in that space. So anything not present means air is present there. So So this glass tumbler is half filled with water and it must be half filled with air. Okay. So Swati said the glass tumbler is half filled with water and Sumit said the glass tumbler is half filled with air. So both Swati and Sumit are saying correct. Okay. So D option is correct. While after Swati and Sumit, Rati is saying that there is only water and no air. Air might not be visible here, but air is existing, air is present there. Water is visible. Okay, the difference is that water is visible, air is not visible. But when air is not visible, it is existing there. Air is present there. Coming to question number 15. Select the option that correctly fills the blank in the given riddle. So there is a riddle over here made in red. So what is the riddle? Bleat, bleat, I say. I eat grass and hay. I give you milk to drink. My baby is called dash. So bleat, bleat. Cow doesn't say bleat. Okay, so calf is cancelled. Cub is the baby for lion, tigers, etc. So cub is cancelled. Joey is the baby of kangaroo. So Joey is cancelled. So I give milk to drink. My baby is called dash. I think we generally consume the milk of goat also. Other than cow, we consume the milk of goat also. So the baby of goat is called kid. So option number A is correct option. Now we have a list of several animals and their babies, the names given to their babies. Up to this much today. For question number 16 to question number 30, the coming part 2 video will be there. And from question number 31 to question 35, it will be part 3 video. So if you like this video, please share it with others who are in ask of such content. Give us a like if you like it. For more such coming content, please subscribe to our channel and to support it. Until then, thank you.